If you are a fan of stock Android, you'll be happy to know that the Xiaomi Mi A3 that runs on Android One has officially launched. And recently, a leak online has shown us how fast the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be. Tune in to today's episode of ICYMI to find out more. If you're currently looking for a budget smartphone, the Redmi 7A is now officially available in Malaysia. So this device is available in two variants. The base model with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage is priced at RM399, while the higher spec variant with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is priced at RM439. Both of these devices are now available at all authorized Mi stores in Malaysia. The Redmi 7A comes with a 5.45-inch HD Plus display, a Snapdragon 439 processor, 12MP rear camera as well as a 5MP selfie camera. Smartwatches these days are becoming a trend, but sometimes these devices can be a little bit pricey. Don't worry, because Huami, which is a close partner to Xiaomi, has revealed their latest Amazfit GTR. This smartwatch is available in two sizes. There's a 42mm and a 47mm version, and both of them comes with an AMOLED display. In basic watch mode, the 47mm version can last up to 74 days on a single charge. The 42mm Amazfit GTR will be available from a starting price of 800 Renminbi, which is around 478 ringgit, while the 47mm variant will have a starting price of 1000 Renminbi, which is around 598 ringgit. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series will be launched on the 7th of August 2019. For what we have known so far, the upcoming smartphone will come with a punch-hole display that sits right at the middle as well as a triple camera setup. And recently, leakster ICYMI has posted a screenshot of the Note 10's Geekbench scores on Twitter that shows what the new Exynos 9825 can do. In both single-core and multi-core tests, the Galaxy Note 10 outscores Samsung's current powerhouse, which is the Galaxy S10. So what do you guys think of this? Your online banking account as well as your ATM card details should be kept private at all times. If there's anyone offering you with rewards or profits and require you to provide your banking information, don't. By allowing these people to turn your personal savings account into a mule account, you could be getting yourself in trouble, as syndicates could use it as a proxy for illegal activities. According to the Association of Banks Malaysia, mule account scams are part of a new syndicate operation that uses your bank account to send and receive money to evade detection by the authorities. The Xiaomi Mi A3 that runs on Android One is officially launched in Spain. The base model of this device that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is priced at €249, which is around 1,150 ringgit. The higher spec variant with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at €279, which is around 1,288 ringgit. This device features a 6.088-inch HD Plus display, a Snapdragon 665 processor with a triple camera setup as well as a 4030mAh battery. If you want to learn more about the Xiaomi Mi A3, you can check out my unboxing video and I'll put the link down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!